Live on location. We are live in New York. Or according to this little thing. Look it. Coco is here to visit again. Always trying to eat my finger. But today she's live in New York. She's going to give Lady Liberty a hug. This is a cool little... Shut up. Little baby kitty. Little baby kitty. Little baby kitty. She got out today. Trying not to let her out, but she jumped out my window. This little fur ball. I heard her. She's the funniest kitty, isn't she? She doesn't move. I've got her on her back. Kitties don't do that. Look. What was that? Oh, that's the turtle. That's Petunia. This kitty, you could have her on your back all day long. I mean, on her back. She doesn't care. She does like the turtle, though. Wanna go see the turtle? Wanna go see the turtle? Wanna go see the turtle? Don't eat Lady Liberty. Say bye.